In this video, you'll learn how to create and send an e-certificate using Google Forms, Google Sheets, and Canva step by step. By the end, you'll have an automated flow where someone fills out a form and you can quickly generate certificates based on their answers. Let's start with the first part, creating the Google form. Open Google Forms from your browser and create a new blank form. Give your form a clear title such as Certificate Request Form or Workshop Completion Certificate. In the form description, you can briefly explain what the form is for, like, please fill out your details to receive your e-certificate. Now, you need to add the key question that will appear on the certificate, the person's name, add a new question, change the question type to short answer, and label it something like full name as you want it to appear on the certificate. This phrasing helps reduce mistakes because people understand that whatever they type here will show up exactly on the certificate. Make this question required so they can't submit the form without entering their name. If you want, you can also add other questions such as email address or event name, but for this tutorial, the important field is the name. Once your form is ready, click on the Responses tab at the top. Here you'll see an option to link your responses to a Google Sheet. Click the little Sheets icon that says Link to Sheets. Choose Create a New Spreadsheet, give it a simple name if you like, and confirm. Google Forms will automatically create a new spreadsheet and connect it to your form. From now on, every time someone submits the form, their name will appear as a new row in that sheet. This sheet is what we'll use in Canva to generate the certificates. Next, head over to Canva, log into your Canva account, then create or open a certificate design. You can search for certificate in the templates and pick one that matches your needs. Customize the design with your branding, colors, and text. The important part is to have a text placeholder where the recipient's name will go. Type a sample name there for now. We'll replace it with real data using Canva's bulk create feature. Once your certificate design is ready, look for the Apps option inside Canva's editor. In that menu, find and click on Bulk Create. This tool lets you connect a data source like a Google Sheet and automatically create one certificate per row. Choose the option to upload data or get data from Sheets, then connect it to the same Google Sheet that's linked to your Google form. Select the correct worksheet and confirm. You'll see your column headers appear in Canva, including the one for the person's name. Match that name column to the text placeholder on your certificate by clicking on the text box and linking it to the appropriate field from the Bulk Create panel. Once it's mapped correctly, Canva will know where to place each person's name. Now you're ready to bulk create. Click the option to generate all designs. Canva will create a separate certificate for each row in your Google Sheet, automatically inserting the correct name into the design. When it's done, you can review them to make sure everything looks right. Finally, download your certificates. Choose your preferred format, usually PDF for certificates, and download all pages. You can then send them by email or share them however you prefer. With this setup, you can quickly turn form responses into professional e-certificates with minimal manual work.